Hello dear friends, welcome to a fresh new vlog.
Welcome to the world of Ferrari. Come on, follow us.
Welcome to the first Ferrari branded theme park in the world, that is Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. But before that, we need to get charged up. So we have come to Rasoi Ghar to have our lunch, as it's going to be a very exciting and hectic day as well. So they have served the kids menu, that is khichdi and puri. So here I can see dahi vada, dhokla, and still the main course is coming.
You want roti?
That's quite a platter, isn't it? From rice to rotis, from curries, what not. It is completely satiated your taste buds. So here's my whole plate including sweets, and it was yum yum. So now let's go up to have some excitement and fun. But before that, check out the restaurants if you want to have your food and then enter the park. So let's find that Ferrari feeling and have a super exciting day. And here we scan our tickets, and oh my god, here I find an adrenaline rush around every corner. So here's the map of the whole Ferrari world, and there's an awesome display of Ferrari cars. Just look at that, guys. I'll give you a tour of this whole park, and this park itself, it's so beautiful. Apart from the rides, just keep on watching. So here's our first ride, the test driver's dream. It's a simulator ride and you are not allowed to record it. So you have to go and experience it. But I would say it was superb. Ferrari World is the home to the world's fastest roller coaster. But why should adults have all the fun? There should be something for the juniors, right? So here's a junior coaster and the kids are going to love it. So here's something for your kids. It's a junior training camp which your toddlers are going to love. We didn't go because we really wanted to enjoy some rides. So let's see what's next. So here's the information desk. You will find all the location, and now it's time to have some fun. Oh, so that was fun, isn't it? So here's another activity area which has several activities, and our kids really enjoyed it. This was one of the best rides, another simulator one. Again, we were not allowed to record it, but I must say this is the one I enjoyed the most. So let's go to the other part of the park and see what's there. Standing at 13.5 meters in height, feel like you are on top of the world with this exciting new ride built for ultimate thrills. We really had super fun. This ride is a cup and saucer ride with a Ferrari twist. The setting is in the F1 inspired giant tires that spin, collide, rotate and slide into the fellow riders. The unpredictable spins evoke the tickling in your tummy. This ride gives riders a taste of being a Ferrari test driver and shoots to the park's roof, as you can see, and back down in reverse, giving riders the opportunity to view the park's iconic roof in all of its glory. Flying Aces can turn your world upside down. The 63-meter long ride has an incredible 51-degree incline. It moves at a speed of 120 km per hour. Ooh. Hey, now let's go to the Italian architectural wonders. It's a kids' ride and I must tell you, they love it. The ride goes around Italy's iconic landmark miniatures, coastline and famous racetracks, including the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa. This drive around mini Italy is on a small Ferrari 250 California.
Wow, Zeus, you're driving a Ferrari car.
Yes, I could.
Faster.
Okay.
This visual tour is a treat to the eyes as you tour through the beauty of the cheese nation all at one place.
Right now, and Zeus is driving.
Yes, of course.
Are you having fun?
Yes. To the cave.
Ah, yes, skip.
Yeah, riding? Oh, so nice!
The Ferrari World Abu Dhabi roof walk is a complete 90-minute experience where you get to work on the theme park's iconic red roof. Are you a fan of virtual race games? Then this part is going to take your breath away. Scuderia Challenge at Ferrari World is a state-of-the-art racing simulator game. This is like watching a 70 movie in a theater. You will feel every bit of it as if you're riding a real car.
After all the rides, what I need is this, a cup of coffee. Much needed one.
I sent it to Mama only.
It's okay.
Okay.
Is it yummy?
Ooh.
So that was all from Ferrari World. There were some adrenaline rush rides, some rides for the kids and family. There are different zones actually, so everybody can enjoy. So yeah, we also had a superb day. It was a bit tiring because 3 days back to back we are going for the theme parks, but it was superb because my kids are really very much excited about cars and they just loved it. And when it's Ferrari, what do you want? So yes, of course, it's a must visit place. Will you come here again?
forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.
Stay tuned.